Welcome back to Carcrafted, where we dive deep into the cars that stir nostalgia, ignite innovation, and define automotive identity. Today, we're talking about a car that needs almost no introduction, a shape recognized across generations, a name that has been loved, retired, revived, and now reimagined again. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. Not just a remake, not just a retro tribute, but a modern reinterpretation of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Buckle up, because this one blends heritage with the future in a way that only the Beetle can. When you hear the word Beetle, chances are an image pops instantly into your head. The rounded roofline, the friendly face, the simple fenders, the compact proportions. For decades, the Beetle symbolized simplicity, affordability, and joy. It was never about raw horsepower or track dominance. It was about connection. From college students to surfers, families to collectors, the Beetle belonged everywhere. Now, the 2026 Beetle asks a different question. How do you honor that legacy while living in an era of electrification, technology, and sustainability? Volkswagen's answer is bold, emotional, and surprisingly practical. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Beetle is that unmistakable silhouette. It still has that rounded dome that immediately tells you what you're looking at, but everything feels sharper, tighter, and more athletic. The front end keeps the expressive circular lighting signature, now transformed into sleek LED rings with animated welcome patterns. The hood is cleaner, the lines more sculpted, and the entire body feels like it's been pulled taut over modern engineering. Retro cues are still there, but nothing looks cartoonish or exaggerated. It's as if the classic Beetle grew up, hit the gym, and embraced the future without forgetting its roots. Move around to the side profile and that iconic arching roofline remains the star of the show. The wheel arches are more muscular, the glass area is sleek, and the doors are frameless on higher trims, adding a premium vibe. The car sits slightly lower and wider than the previous generation, giving it a planted stance that hints at improved handling. Flush door handles, smooth aero surfaces, and a subtle character line running along the side make the Beetle look both friendly and futuristic. If the original Beetle was cute, the 2026 model is confidently charming. At the rear, Volkswagen kept things playful while embracing modern lighting design. The taillights echo the classic oval shapes but now integrate with a full-width light bar that illuminates with animations. The rear hatch is wide, improving practicality, and the Beetle badge is proudly centered, illuminated on some trims. There's no traditional exhaust because this Beetle is electrified. Instead, the lower bumper design uses clean surfaces and aerodynamic elements. It still smiles, but now it also looks like it knows a lot about technology. Under the skin, the 2026 Beetle steps firmly into the electric era. Built on Volkswagen's latest EV platform, it offers multiple battery options depending on market and trim. The standard model focuses on efficiency and urban usability, while higher trims bring more performance and range. Instant torque gives the Beetle something it never really had before, quick off-the-line acceleration. It's still not meant to be a supercar, but it now has the punch to merge, pass, and play with surprising enthusiasm. The silent, smooth electric drive pairs beautifully with the Beetle's friendly character. Instead of the classic air-cooled chatter, you get a quiet, refined glide. Range figures will vary with configuration, but Volkswagen designed the new Beetle with real-world daily life in mind. Fast charging capability allows meaningful range recovery in short stops, and smart energy management adjusts throttle response, climate control, and navigation to maximize efficiency. Regenerative braking modes let drivers choose between traditional coasting or one-pedal driving, making city commutes easier and more engaging. For many people, the Beetle will be their first EV, and Volkswagen clearly tuned it to make that transition as welcoming as possible. Step inside, and the emotion continues. The interior of the 2026 Beetle is where nostalgia and technology truly shake hands. The dashboard echoes the classic simple horizontal layout, but everything is modernized. A clean digital cluster sits behind the steering wheel, customizable to show range, navigation, or classic-style gauges for those who want that retro feel. The central infotainment display floats in the center, with crisp graphics, wireless updates, and full smartphone integration. Materials feel thoughtfully chosen. Soft touch surfaces, playful color accents, and optional body color panels on the dash reference older Beetles while avoiding kitsch. The seats are slim yet supportive, available in two-tone designs that make the cabin feel warm and personal. Sustainability shows up in recycled fabrics, vegan leather options, and low-impact manufacturing choices, aligning with the car's electric mission. Space has always been a big question with Beetles. Compact on the outside, they've historically surprised people with interior room. The 2026 model improves on that again. Without a traditional engine up front and with efficient packaging of electric components, legroom and headroom feel generous for a compact car. Rear seats are usable for adults on shorter trips and comfortable for kids on longer ones. The hatchback layout delivers practical cargo space, easily expandable with folding rear seats. This is still a car for city life, but it doesn't force you to compromise as much as older generations sometimes did. Tech features round out the experience. The Beetle supports advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking features. Voice control allows you to adjust climate, navigate, and change media hands-free. Ambient lighting brings personality to the cabin, offering color themes that match driving modes or your mood. Over-the-air updates ensure the Beetle will continue to evolve long after purchase, adding features, refining performance, and improving efficiency. Driving the 2026 Beetle is meant to feel approachable and joyful, not intimidating. The steering is light in the city and firms up on the highway. The suspension balances comfort with enough control to handle curves with confidence. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, helps the Beetle feel stable and secure. You're not wrestling with a machine, you're partnering with it. The car has always been about emotion, and that hasn't changed. Only now, that emotion is delivered through instant torque, silent motion, and modern refinement. But the story of the Beetle is never just about specs or engineering. It's about culture. The original Beetle became a canvas for personal expression. People painted them, modified them, stickered them, loved them. The 2026 Beetle invites that spirit back. Customization options from the factory include vibrant exterior colors, contrasting roof finishes, retro-inspired wheel designs, and interior accent packs. Volkswagen knows that Beetle owners don't just buy a car, they adopt a personality. The new model honors that by encouraging individuality from day one. There's also a deeper symbolic layer. In a world where cars are becoming more similar, more aerodynamic, more optimized, the Beetle dares to remain instantly recognizable. It celebrates character at a time when design can sometimes feel generic. It shows that progress doesn't mean erasing history. Instead, it's about evolving it. The 2026 Beetle is for people who love technology but don't want to lose soul, who want sustainability without sterility, who smile when they see a familiar curve on the road. Of course, the Beetle also faces competition. The EV market is crowded with crossovers, sedans, and futuristic shapes. Yet that is exactly why the Beetle stands out. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. It's trying to be itself, modernized. It offers enough range, enough space, enough performance, but what it really sells is identity. You don't just drive a Beetle, you make a statement that cars can still be fun, friendly, and emotionally resonant, even in an electric age. Pricing and trim levels will vary by market, but Volkswagen aims to keep the Beetle relatively accessible, just like its ancestors. It may not be the absolute cheapest EV, but it's positioned to offer strong value, especially when you consider brand heritage and technology content. Ownership costs benefit from the efficiencies of electric driving and reduced maintenance needs. For urban dwellers, young professionals, nostalgic enthusiasts, and small families, the Beetle becomes a realistic daily companion rather than just a collectible dream. Imagine living with it. You wake up, unplug your Beetle, step into a cabin that greets you with soft light and warm colors, tap the start button, and roll away in silence. In traffic, one-pedal driving makes creeping effortless. In parking lots, compact dimensions and smart sensors make maneuvering easy. On weekend trips, the electric torque makes highway merging satisfying and hills effortless. You pull into a cafe, glance back, and there it is, that timeless silhouette, now refreshed. It's not just transportation, it's something that makes your day a little better. And for longtime Beetle lovers, the 2026 version feels like a love letter. It remembers where it came from but refuses to stay stuck in the past. It honors the millions of stories written in Beetles around the world. Road trips, first cars, first dates, beach runs, memories passed down between generations. Now a new wave of drivers gets to write their own chapters, this time powered by electrons and shaped by software, but still under that unmistakable curved roof. As always, the Beetle sparks emotion. Some will debate the design, some will cherish every detail, some will argue about whether an electric Beetle is true to the original. But that conversation itself is proof of how alive the name still is. Few cars ignite such passion across decades. The 2026 Beetle doesn't try to end that conversation. It keeps it going, adding a new verse to a song that started long ago. So, is the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle just another EV? Not even close. It's a symbol reborn, a bridge between the analog past and the digital future, a reminder that innovation and warmth can coexist. It delivers style without arrogance, technology without coldness, and efficiency without losing character. It's the kind of car you recognize in an instant, but discover slowly over time, layer by layer. If you've ever loved a Beetle, this one is going to make you look twice. If you've never paid attention to them before, this might be the generation that changes your mind. Whether you see it as nostalgia, design art, or simply a practical electric runabout, the 2026 Beetle shows that the automotive world still has room for icons that evolve rather than disappear. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews and features. Tell us in the comments, would you buy an electric Beetle? What's your favorite Beetle generation? And what color would you choose for the new one? We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching Carcrafted. See you in the next video, and as always, enjoy the drive.